Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Today we're making Cajun fish, skillet potatoes, and steamed broccoli. We're going to start off with our potatoes. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. You want to scrub your potatoes under some water with a veggie brush to make sure they are clean. And you can peel them if you like, but I leave the peel on. And you can slice them with a knife, but I get out my mandolin because it will slice them all the same thickness. That way it cooks more evenly. I have the mandolin set on a little under a quarter of an inch thick, and this is how thick they're coming out. As I get closer to the bottom of the potato, I will use my guard to keep from cutting myself. And I'm just slicing one baking potato. This makes enough for about 2 to 3 people, depending on how big your servings are. You want to pour a little olive oil into the cast iron skillet and make sure it coats the skillet. Then place your potatoes down in layers. Pour a tablespoon of water over the potatoes. Get a half a tablespoon of butter and cut it into small cubes and place it over the potatoes. Then sprinkle with salt and pepper. And you can stop there if you want, but I'm going to add more seasoning as always. I'm adding dried basil, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then you cover with aluminum foil and place in the 375-degree oven. And I cook these for about 30 minutes. You will know when they are done when they are soft when you stick a fork in them. And while the potatoes are in the oven, we're going to go ahead and prepare the fish. You want to melt a half a tablespoon of butter. And you also want to put a half a tablespoon of olive oil in whatever you're cooking your fish in. Rinse your fish fillets and place them in the olive oil dish. And these are perch fillets. Then brush the melted butter over the fillets. Sprinkle with Cajun seasoning. And this is Tone's brand's Cajun seasoning. We buy a big container from Sam's and it lasts a long time. I like it because it has a lot less salt than most Cajun seasonings. I bought some without checking the ingredients, and the number one ingredient has been salt in most of those, so those are way too salty for us, so we really like this brand. After the potatoes have cooked for 15 minutes, I put the fish in the oven. Next, we're going to get our broccoli ready, and I'm using broccoli out of the freezer, and I usually use fresh broccoli, but I'm out. We eat a lot of broccoli. And steaming broccoli is simple, and it's my favorite way to cook it. Just add an inch or so of water in the bottom of a pot, and then you put your steaming basket in, the broccoli in that, put a lid on it, place it on the stove over medium heat. I like my broccoli soft. I know some people like it a little firm, but I like it to be steamed until it's soft all over. So I steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the potatoes are done. So I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to add some shredded cheese to the top, stick them back in the oven for about 5 minutes. You know the fish is done when it's flaky with a fork. And the fish smells so drool-worthy. And this is our favorite way to have this fish besides fried. Also sprinkled some Cajun seasoning on the broccoli. The skillet potatoes look perfect. Alright, time to fix the plates. This is Steve's plate. He always wants cheese on his broccoli, although it is very good without it. And there you have it, a drool-worthy meal that's ready in about 30 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can send me an email. And I hope you have a blessed rest of your week. Bye for now.